What's up, people? Underspoke Riders here, and today's video is nothing about cars or motorcycles or camera equipment. Anybody that's truly known me over the years, all my friends I've known since grade school, everybody knows that all my life my weight has always went up and down. I've always, that's just the way it is. My whole weight thing has always been like a roller coaster. But usually here in the last 10 years, I usually either punch a punching bag or mainly run, well, I ain't gonna say run, but jog on a treadmill. For years, the treadmills done me good. I've always had a treadmill. And here, 2017, man, it's been a rough year for me. A lot of stuff's happened in 2017. And I pretty much just, fell all the way off the wagon. And 2017, I gained a lot of weight. I tried to get back like the first half of 2017, should I say. So right around the middle of August, August really, my birthday, right when I turned 40, I tried to get back on the treadmill, and I worked at it hard, man. I was on the treadmill pretty much every day, 7 days a week. But it just seemed like the treadmill just wasn't doing it for me like it used to do back in the day. Back in the day, I just do, go hard in the treadmill. After about, 3-4 months, I'm good to go back where I'm at. Now, I don't know, maybe it's from getting older, but it just ain't working for me like that. So, long story short, I decided to join a gym. I've never joined a gym a day in my life. So, I decided to join a gym right around the middle of, right around the beginning of February. And that's when I finally broke down and said to hell with it, joined the gym. Now, I'm the type of person where it's sort of like my treadmill. I've never been a big exercise person. The only reason I took the treadmill so seriously is because I spent so much money on it. And I'm the type of person is I'm not going to really take anything seriously until I invest my own money into it, and it's a nice amount of money. So, as far as the gym goes, I know I pay a monthly fee for a gym, but I wanted to actually give it a try, so I invested a little bit more beyond that as far as buying clothes to work out in, buying water bottles, stuff like that. Just basically stuff to get healthy. Now, one thing I did decide I wanted to pick up so I could take this gym quest seriously is I wanted to get some kind of a fitness tracker. I did a lot of homework online. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, read a lot of reviews, and it all came back down to this one fitness tracker. So I decided to pick this up on Amazon. This is what I got right here. Is the fitbit Charge 2. So that's what I got right there. Fitbit Charge 2. And from what everybody says is this is the one to have. There was a lot of them that was way cheaper than this one, and there was a lot of them that was way more expensive. I was actually gonna go with the Samsung version since I just got the Samsung earbuds that I did a video on earlier. But I decided no, the Samsung version of this was a lot, I'm gonna say a lot more money, but a little bit more money. It got kind of worse reviews, and it's one of the things where it was a lot bigger too. So I'm not here to knock any other brand. I'm sure each brand had its upsides and downsides. So I decided to give this a try. The gym I go to, they did sell these at the gym, but of course I didn't want to pay full-blown retail price. So I ordered this off of Amazon. Here we go. I'm gonna unbox this and basically open this up and see what all the hype's about. See, stuff like this is what I need in order for I'm gonna take the whole gym thing seriously. When I start investing money and stuff, that's when I take it seriously. I know I'm gonna go all the time and try to put this to good use. Got a little setup booklet here. I'll read that later. Pull this out. This is the Fitbit itself. I wanted to go with this style because it's kind of slim, it's kind of incognito. So this will be cool right here. Let's see what else is in here. Comes with this little case right here. Okay. And let me see what this is right here. See if I can get this open without cutting my finger on her. Okay. Basically, the only thing in this box is a little charger. A little charger to charge the Fitbit. So, I was a little concerned with the size. I did measure my wrist. So I didn't want it to be too loosey-goosey. I didn't want it to be too crazy tight. That's about how it fits. Nothing too major. I went with the large. I almost went with the extra large, but I'm glad I didn't. It would have been probably too big and been dangling off of there. And I went with the large, and that was a good choice right there. So this is kind of like, you know, all this gets peeled off. But don't worry about that. But the fit, I like the fit of it, man. So far, so good, man. I like the fit of it. Now I know on these Fitbits, they sell all kind of accessories. Jeez, I don't come up to anything, but okay. They sell all kind of accessories for this Fitbit. They sell stuff like protection shield or whatever, so you don't scratch the lens. Now I looked through a lot of them little protective shields and read a lot of reviews, and to me it just seems like it was just like I really wasn't too impressed with it, you know. Like my cell phone, I got like a tempered glass shield over the screen, so that way if I drop my phone and it cracks the tempered glass shield and not the screen. And from what I read, that is not what this is on this one. The few companies that did sell the tempered glass ones all got bad reviews because they said this is it doesn't fit right. But anyway, I wanted some kind of protection, but everything they were selling, it just seemed like real thick, clear tape. And I was watching videos on how to install it and spray it with water and put on like some damn window tint, and I wasn't really feeling that. But I did want some kind of protection, so to protect this, so I came across this right here. I did order this off of Amazon the same time I ordered a Fitbit. It's a Fitbit, basically a Fitbit case. Kind of like the case for the GoPro. So, what this is, oh, before I get deep into this, the cool thing about these Fitbits is they come with all kind of different colored straps. They come with all kind of different colored straps. And I started to order some of the colored straps, but because this little piece pops off and it's just this little section from here to here. But I decided against that, and then what I did is I got this. This is almost like a protective case to where if you drop it, you ain't got to worry about cracking your screen. The name of the case is called Mortec. This is the company that does the case. They come in all different colors. So let me get this going. Let me get this taken apart and put in my protective case, and then I'll bring this back in to show you what it all looks like when it's all said and done. Once I got it linked to my phone, and just let me play with it for a couple hours, and I'll come back and at least add on to this video. What's up, people? Hunter Spoke Riders here, and I'm here to talk about my Fitbit Charge 2. I've had this Fitbit Charge 2 for about a week now, and out of them 7 days, I've been in the gym 5 of them 7 days. And a few things I'm going to speak on real quick. I'm not going to make this video too crazy long, but I'm definitely impressed with the Mototech Fitbit Charge 2 protective case wristband. This wristband protective case has definitely saved the screen of the Fitbit on several occasions. Just, swinging my arm, rubbing up against stuff, hitting the side of the rail when I'm trying to jog on the treadmill and stuff like that, I can see how you can scratch your screen real easily. But Fitbit Charge 2, what can I say? There's nothing I don't like about it. The app is great. The app just works wonderful. The one thing I will say that was kind of shocking to me was my whole sleep patterns and my sleep habits. It tracks my sleeping patterns. And I thought I was getting a good night's sleep. I thought I was sleeping for like 8 or 9 hours, sometimes 10 hours a night. But I wasn't. I was getting up in the middle of the night a lot. And I think what it was is because of my phone. And when my phone would like chirp or I get a message or an email or something, it would get me up, not to the point where I'd wake up and not answer it, but it would just kind of disturb my sleeping pattern. So I shut my phone off and I end up getting an extra 2 hours after the first 3 nights. So Fitbit is definitely helped me out in that situation. And I will say one thing, man, this Fitbit Charge 2, if it doesn't do anything, it will motivate you. It motivates me. It motivates me to stay active, to keep moving throughout the day. And, just don't sit there and, sit in the chair and type on the computer or play video games all day. So definitely kind of a motivational tool, I will say. Definitely well worth the money. So, yeah, that's, I don't really have too much to say about it. Besides, after a week, man, I'm glad I don't regret getting it. To me, it was worth every penny. And I'm very happy with my Fitbit Charge 2. So it definitely gets the 100 Spoke Riders stamp of approval. And my fitness goals, and I think it's going to help me out a lot on my fitness goals and my fitness journey. And the main goal is, I know you see it in the background, Suzuki DR650. That's why I'm on this journey to shave this weight off, so I can get back out there, dual sport again, back in action, and out there playing in the dirt. Because the last time I took this bike out, and I'm totally out of shape, I was huffing and puffing. I didn't think I was even going to make it. So that was the main source of, me trying to be on this fitness journey, should I say. So there you have it, people. 100 Spoke Riders signing out with the Fitbit Charge 2.